Our customer sent us a stuck and broken wheel Roborock S6 Pure Robot Vacuum. Carefully, we disassembled the robot vacuum to find the problem. With expertise and precision, we pinpoint the problem: broken Castor wheel, side brush, and filter, preventing robot vacuum to perform best. But we're not done. Dust and dirt are piling up. The robot vacuum was besieged by an army of dust. Dust on the fan and LiDAR can clog, so it can cause other damage. We quickly fixed the Castor wheel and replaced the side brush and filter. Then we do deep cleaning service. Every speck of dust was banished. Brought back the shine to each side of the robot vacuum. Now, the robot vacuum came to life and functioning with full performance. Are you having the same problem? Contact us today.